Hey guys, welcome back to Marshmallow Challenges. Today, new video. And today we're going to show you how to make s'mores with a microwave. Alright, so guys, I'm sorry to say, so this is the finished product, but we will still show you how to make it. It's paused. Yes. Alright, now, but guess what? We're not going to show you, so bye. Nope, right, oh, no, just kidding. No, we're going to show you how to make it, and you don't have to do it like this. We just microwaved it, covered in chocolate chips, melted, and yeah. Alright, we're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And it will expand, and by the way, ours are stale, so if you have a normal one, try yourself, but keep an eye on it because a couple times we thought we were going to lose it, we thought we were going to ruin it, and also the microwave, yes it is dirty, but we are going to clean it out. And I said we are, cameraman. Shh, don't say that word. Yeah. So yeah, okay, and we're done. Woo, wow, that's hot. Woo. Oh my goodness. Alright, watch out, watch out, watch out. Alright. Here's your marshmallow made. Chocolate. Right here. Now, it's your choice on how you want to make it. But me, I just like my chocolate, so we. And you know what? What the heck? Chocolate. This is better. It's slow. No, I missed. Ooh, it's hot. All right. Now that yours is done, eat it. Oh, I hope this isn't hot. Oh.
This was all done in the microwave.
Yep. As long as you have the ingredients. Also, you guys, you can put graham cracker, but we do not have one, and oh my gosh, this is hot. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. Sorry this was such a short video, and gosh, that's hot. I think next video we might do some Jell-O. Who knows? Alright guys, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.